So today I'm going to show you how to make some super easy jeweled Easter eggs. These are good decorations to make with your kids. So start by getting one of those plastic Easter eggs and a variety of colored plastic gemstones, and then just put a little bit of hot glue on the end of the egg and stick a gemstone on it, and then put a little bit of hot glue below the gem and put another line of gems. You can alternate colors, you can cover them all in the same color if you want. And then just finish out that row with some more hot glue and some more gems. If you find the hot glue doesn't stick to your plastic egg very well, you can also use another kind of glue like Power Tack. And so then you just keep going down, covering your egg in gems, using whatever colors or shapes you want. I was going to put a line of butterflies, but ended up not liking it, so I took those off afterwards, but feel free to do it however you want. So when you get to the crack in the egg, you want to get some gems that are big enough to overlap it just a little bit. So put some glue just above the crack, and put the big gem in the glue so it's glued on, but the bottom of it hangs just below the crack. You'll do that all the way around, so that way you will still be able to open the egg because there's nothing glued, and the gemstones will hide the crack in the egg. And so then put another line of gemstones right below those, and make sure that they fit very well right below the other line so that you will still be able to open the egg without knocking off any of the gemstones. So then just finish putting gems all the way down it. You get a nice sparkly little Easter egg. So then just take a piece of string, I'm actually using raffia here, then just open up your egg, stick the ends of your string inside the egg, leave the loop part sticking out, and then just close up the egg. And then you get yourself a nice little hanging sparkly Easter egg that you can hang anywhere you would normally hang your Easter decor. I like hanging them on my cupboard because the gems stand out against the black and white checks.